Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your boy Dominoes 7 here. Welcome y'all to my live stream, Facebook Live, and stuff like that, eventually on YouTube. Okay. I just finished doing a YouTube live stream. Okay. Yep, already on YouTube on my Domino 866 channel. Okay. So here I am. Okay. All right. I want to say yesterday was a great birthday. Nobody barely came over except my friend Dwayne and and my next door neighbor kids. Eastland, Brooklyn, and Oakland. Okay, well, Oakland name was supposed to be Harold, but uh, um but my bestie didn't like that. So she changed the name. Okay, so let's take a look over here. Y'all see? Oh, the camera ain't focused enough. That's the Superdome. The lights up there. Y'all see that? Uh huh. All right. So, as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I had a wonderful birthday. Okay. I just wish that my birthday for 40 would be an extravaganza. Okay. Hopefully, it would be extravaganza. I sure would like to invite Cessful Five. Cessful Five, Iris P, Hot Boy Ronald, Ricky B. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so they only met me once, okay? I sure would love to invite Wild Wayne, Bone Thugs and Harmony, Angie Stone. I doubt Angie Stone, Bone Thugs, and Kiki Wyatt, Avant, Carl Thomas, and them people would show up. I sure would love for them to show up though, including Fat Joe. Yeah, so I would love for them to show up. Okay. Early morning vlog after my birthday. My birthday passed. Mm-hmm. Yep. Anybody's birthday that was on my day. And I would like to wish my friend Suzanne a happy belated birthday. Okay. Suzanne Crawford. All right. I must say, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm going to say it again. I'll save it for the next segment. Okay. All right. All right. So I I must say, y'all. I mean, I really enjoyed my birthday. It was a blessing, though. Okay, it was a true blessing. You understand? hmm So I must say, y'all, it's a blessing to turn 39. Uh huh. But I doubt I'll reach the age of 70 or 80. I doubt that'll happen. Honestly, well, I'm not trying to speak negative or nothing. All right. So we'll see how far your boy Domino 7 will live. But on the contrary, you don't know. We don't know. On the contrary, when I was a kid, I say contrary. Oh, Ricky don't remember me saying that. All right, so it's still dark out though. Okay, it was. Yep, look at the. Oh yeah, my cousin Bango said that was a moon. Yeah, honestly, Bango, I know you're watching this from heaven, but that's a star, not a moon. I thought it was a moon myself, to be honest with y'all. Okay. Okay, let's look at the sky. Let's look at the sky. Twinkle, 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 tiny little stars. Yep. If y'all can see the star up there, twinkle, twinkle, lovely little stars. I don't know if y'all can see some more stars up there. Twinkle, 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 beautiful little stars. I love it, love it, love it. But I'm not one of the sneeches, and it's not even in my tummy, on my tummy. All right, so that's all I'm going to say. I'm on my balcony this early in the morning, long as I'm not disturbing my best friend. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now. I'll do my next segment in a few. Okay, but not right now. Okay. All right. God bless.